area and perimeter of triangles. Now, I'm going to use a piece of paper in this example as well as this picture on the board. We're still talking about measurement, we're still talking about square units, and we've given the unit a distance, the distance of 1 centimetre. So what we've got here is a triangle with a base of 3 centimetres and a height of 2 centimetres. So the base equals 3 centimetres and height equals 2 centimetres. You can see that quite clear. So area of triangle equals a half base times height. Now, why is the area of a triangle half base times height? So in this case, let's just go ahead and work it out. So it's a half of 3 times 2, which equals a half of 6, which equals 3 centimetres squared. Area of triangle. Now, by the way, that is correct mathematical setting out. You should always have the formula followed by the substitution in the formula. Sometimes you'll have the working out and then you will have the answer. To get full marks on an exam, that is what is expected. Okay, so that's your answer. That's easy. Now, why does the area of a triangle equal half base times height? Well, you need to sort of try and see that this triangle is half of that rectangle. The area of a rectangle equals length times width, but if you call the length base and you call the width height, so that would become b times h, and you said that this triangle is half of that rectangle, then the area of a triangle would be half BH, which is half the area of the rectangle. Now, just to point that out, I've got a piece of paper, and what I've done is that's the triangle. It's a little tiny bit bigger, but it shows the point. Okay, so there's the piece of paper. It's an A4 rectangular piece of paper, and what I've done is I've drawn a triangle from the corners to anywhere on the top of the thing. Now, if you can see now, we've cut up this piece of rectangular paper. I'm going to flip those two triangles on the side, and you will see that the area of one rectangle equals 2 times the area of, or the total area of 2 triangles that have been made from that rectangle. Or another way of saying that is, half of the area of the rectangle equals the area of the triangle. And that works for any rectangle or triangle where the triangle starts at the corners and touches anywhere at the top of the rectangle. So that proves that the area of the triangle is half the area of the rectangle. Now, that may help you or may not help you remember how to find the area of a triangle. Now, remember this because we're going to be doing something very similar with area of a trapezoid or trapezium.